Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G200, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture. That can be anything that is visible on the screen. I'm going to be using settings as an example. So once you have your content open and visible, same way I do, settings, what you want to do is simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, it will pop up with this image right here. You have edit, share, Google Lens, and delete as an option visible there for a moment. And additionally, we also have a scrollable option right here. When you tap on it, as you can see, it starts scrolling. You can tap on the stop button to finish it up. Otherwise, it will keep on scrolling to the end, assuming there is an end. So right now it's stopped on two options before on help. So that's basically from very top to here. So anyway, your screenshots, once you have captured them, can be found in your gallery application. Photos, there we go. And you can see them right here. So there are the two screenshots I have captured. This is the scrollable one, and here is the normal one. So that is how you capture your screenshots and also where you can find them. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.